Fourscore and 7 years ago, our forefathers brought forth on this continent a new nation. This is actually how I talk. I don't know what else to do for you, brother. I don't really have a programming hero, but I am fond of saying that Jim Weirich is my power animal. So that's probably the closest I get. Man, in this industry, you're always learning to program all over again. The advice I'd give myself is to make the effort in some of the more traditional avenues. I've always struggled with formal education, and reading technical books is very hard for me. I feel like maybe I was a more patient person. That's probably the advice I'd give myself, is work on your patience and the rest will come. Ruby. Ruby changed everything. I'm not a Ruby contributor. Maybe someday I will be, but I went from barely scraping by to making a real living and having a career and speaking at conferences, and it's all because of Ruby. Today, the most exciting thing in software is actually the people surrounding software. It's a bigger community, and there's more people that look like me, and there's a lot more people that don't look like me, and it's been a really wonderful experience experiencing like the community becoming more inclusive and us like opening the fold to people who weren't here just a few years ago. That's the exciting part. You know, the first job I ever wanted, my mom loves to tell this story, is that I would tell her I wanted to be a cab driver in New York City. And that's still kind of true. I think it'd be a really interesting job. I want a job where I get to interact with a wide variety of people and help them solve problems like, how do I get here? But I think that today, if I had to switch careers, I would try to get into speech writing. That's what I was trying to do in college. I mean, besides my normal really weird face, like, it's my monster face. Cool. Thanks, brother.
Great.
Appreciate it.
Yeah.